Hey everyone, it's Sharice, and I have my little helper Ava with me today. And I know today is going to be, we're just talking about how to increase the antioxidant values and things that you have that you can put in your smoothies. So the question of the day is for this week. I had been asking you guys different things like, do you know what matcha powder or matcha powder, I'm not sure, amla powder, and all of those things, and everything, all of them all had one thing in common, is that they all are high in antioxidants. So just for some things that I've been studying, you can combine them, and then that way you can combine all of those different things, the flax seeds, chia seeds, the matcha powder, amla powder. You can combine all of those things together, and then when you go to make your smoothie, you can just take a tablespoon of that, put it in your smoothie, and then you have all those things already ready to go, and you don't have to measure them out all week like I have been doing. So I got this recipe from a nutrition certification course that I have been taking, and so I'm going to share that with you guys. The very first thing we're going to put in is the flaxseed, and the recipe calls for 2/3 cup of flaxseed. So I'm going to use the, nope, you can put those down, Ava. You put those down for me. So I'm just going to measure out 2/3 cup of ground flax seeds. Okay, Ava, you want to pour that into the container?
Yeah.
All right, thank you. The next part is going to be a 1/2 cup of chia seeds.
Chia seeds. That sounds good. Mommy, can I pour it this time?
Actually, I did not. Here's my 1/2 cup. Okay, pour a 1/2 cup in there. Keep going. Nope, you gotta fill that whole thing up. Oh, that's a lot. Okay. Now pour that in there.
I can't believe I just did it by myself. Then we're just gonna mix that.
Okay, great. So the next thing we're going to add is the matcha powder. I'm not real sure how you say that. We need 1/4 of a cup, so I need you to dig in there, get that out.
Just pour it.
Well, be careful pouring it. You can see the matcha powder is green, and it does come from the leaves of the green tea leaves. Okay, that's enough. Now pour that in the...
Now you see that's green.
Now pour it in there.
Now we're just gonna pour it in.
Pour it in nice and good. Okay, so the next one we're going to add is the amla powder.
Amla.
Okay, so we're going to just... No, let's not pour that. That's pretty big.
How do I do this? Oh
no. Okay, and the amla powder is like a brownish color, at least the one we have. Okay, pour that in there.
We better watch out, right?
Okay, and then the last ingredient, which they said is optional, which I'm going to go ahead and put in, is the hemp seeds. Now, I didn't get hemp seeds. I have the hemp hearts, but that's what I'm going to use anyway.
I want to see what it feels like.
I sure hope you have your hands are clean. Okay, let's pour this in here. All right, I'm gonna put my top on there.
Yep, this is the top.
Now, can you shake it up for me? Okay.
See that you can shake it up.
All right, let's take the lid off.
Yep, and the seed.
Okay, and so this is, don't put your hands all in it. So this is basically what the combined powders look like. And again, you can use these in your smoothies. It will add a lot of antioxidants, which will help to help you fight some of the diseases, fight the inflammation that you may have in your body. And you know, I'm sure there's other uses for it too, but I'll be using them in smoothies. Since it's time for me to get ready for bed, I'm not making a smoothie to drink tonight, but I will be adding 1 tablespoon to my smoothie tomorrow. So if you like this video, please let me know, and be looking forward to other little tips and tricks that you guys can implement into your diets. And you want to say goodbye?
Bye. Mwah.